Uncle Martin's in California and Riley's in Maine.
Here,
Rip it.
Okay, don't tell him, Mom.
I just said rip it, rip it, rip it.
She wasn't telling you.
Still, be quiet. Okay, give me an hint what it is.
Turn it
Well,
over.
you have to shake it. That's what the tradition is. What do you think is in there?
No way. 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 What is it? Okay, tell us what it is.
Working on express how happy I am.
Yes, you are lucky. You're loved. You're not lucky. You're
Let's
loved.
see what's in the second box.
This is how good magnet is.
That's awesome.
Here's a card. The Sammy.
Read the card.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
It isn't coming out correct.
Do you want Uma to help you open it up?
There.
Just keep opening
There
the.
you go.
There you go.
Read it.
Madison. No, you don't like gushy, grunchy stuff. But marijuana 365 days a year set aside to celebrate you. So you're just going to have to deal with it. Ready? What is it? I want.
Oh.
Don't tell me what it is.
Oh.
Read it.
Who is it from?
Okay.
Yeah, let me see.
Hey, I need to
Oh,
read it. You're awesome, amazing, wonderful, sweet, caring, kind, thoughtful, generous, funny, celestial, patient, love, and very much loved by us all.
That's really sweet. Give
It's one
Uma a
of
big
those
hug.
funny cards.
Give Uma a big hug. That's really sweet of her to say.
No.
Okay.
I can't. Thank you.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
let's open up the other gift. That's really sweet.
Well, those you can pull the ribbon. There you go.
You're
I didn't
almost.
miss anything.
You're almost.
Almost.
Okay. Boundless play. I don't know what that is.
Boundless play. That means you can play with it over and over again.
But I wonder what boundless play means. I wonder why they put it there. Oh. I'll record this. Thank you.
No, Mommy's doing something.
It's for Tio Martin.
Fine.
Those kids would have had it all over the place.
No, they wouldn't have.
His room looks like a.
What?
His room is a mess.
Mm.
That's great.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
look, that one has
Yes.
wheels. Does the other one have wheels too?
Yes. I think yes. 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 Yes.
Can you say thank you to Tio Martin through the camera and then I'll send it to him?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Riley,
Thank
and
you.
Riley.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, and thank you, Riley. Say thank you.
Thank you, everyone.